Hey, good morning to you, Chuck here at Pals. Look at that. It's a Fiat. They're kind of an eclectic kind of car that people really love, just like the Mini Coopers. So, what do you think of Fiats? I think they're neat. This little guy, though, here is sick. Look, his front bumper cover is completely off the car. Now, you got to ask yourself, why would you take the front bumper cover off a Fiat to work on it in an auto repair shop? Well, as we walk around to the front of the car, you can see, in order to get the engine out of this vehicle, you literally have to take the whole front end off the car. This guy's engine is sick and needs to be replaced. It was locked up due to poor oil consumption. Anyway, we are putting an engine in it and getting ready to go back together with it. This guy will be as good as new when it's done. If you have a Mini Cooper, Fiat, any kind of import, domestic, or even exotic car, bring it to Pals. We'll gladly help take care of you, even if it means removing the entire front end. Hope to see you soon at Pals with your car.